Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all those people who like my previous videos and subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed as of yet, you can just go down and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. So for today's video, my topic is the top 5 actors who stole the show with very little screen time. So basically, as you've already understood from the title, I'm going to be talking about actors or actresses who totally stole the show from the lead characters just by appearing on screen for a few minutes. The main criteria is that these performances should have a screen time of less than 20 minutes. So, unfortunately, a really amazing performance will not be considered for this list, and that's Heath Ledger's Oscar-winning performance as the Joker in The Dark Knight, because it was exactly 33 minutes long. Although that's even quite less, considering that the film was over 2.5 hours long, but still, he won't be considered for this list. Now, before I start this list, I have one honorable mention, and that's Anne Hathaway's Oscar-winning performance in Les Miserables, for which she was there for only 15 minutes. Now I'll start the actual list. Number 1 is what I think could be arguably called the most iconic film performance of all time in the most iconic film of all time. Of course, I'm talking about Marlon Brando's performance as Vito Corleone in The Godfather. Now, most people, the one thing that they most fondly remember about this film is Marlon Brando's performance, but very few people actually realize that he's there on screen for a little over 16 minutes, and in that little while he completely stole the show from actors like Al Pacino and Robert Duvall. Everybody already knows about this performance. I don't need to talk about it any further, but still I'll say that it's an amazing performance. It's one of the greatest film performances of all time, and Marlon Brando was able to make such an impact that he won the Oscar not for a supporting role, for Best Actor in a Leading Role. Number 2 on my list is a very similar performance. That's Anthony Hopkins' Oscar-winning performance in Silence of the Lambs. Now this, although Silence of the Lambs is an equally iconic film as The Godfather, various people who have watched this film know that Anthony Hopkins was there for only a little over 15 minutes. But still, he totally stole the show. And that's a huge thing to say, considering that the film also had Jodie Foster in the lead role, who won an Oscar for her performance. But that did not stop Anthony Hopkins from giving one of the greatest villains in the history of cinema, the psychopathic serial killer Hannibal Lecter. It's a brilliant performance and a brilliant film. Number 3 on my list is Judi Dench in Shakespeare in Love. Another Oscar-winning performance. Judi Dench was in this film for only a little less than 8 minutes, and she won an Oscar for this performance. And she even jokingly said while receiving the award that it was not really fair for her to win this award just by appearing a little bit in the film, even less than 10 minutes. Anyways, I think this film, although I feel that this film is a little bit overrated, but her performance is one of the greatest in the history of cinema. Number 4 on my list is Viola Davis in Doubt. Now, this is the first performance on my list which is not an Oscar-winning performance, although the actress is an Oscar-winning actress. But if you ask me why I decided to keep this name on my list, despite it not winning any Oscars, it's because Viola Davis was able to completely steal the show within 8 minutes when the film starred Meryl Streep and Philip Seymour Hoffman in the lead roles, both of whom gave some of the best performances of their career. Meryl Streep played the strict principal of this school, while Philip Seymour Hoffman played this, the mysterious and suspicious father, who is the priest or the father, whatever you say, who is accused of pedophile. And Viola Davis, within 5 to 8 minutes, played the role of a mother whose child has been raped, and she just completely, she made such an impact. It's amazing. And finally, number 5 on my list is this performance, which of course has not won an Oscar but did not even receive a nomination. But still, I think it's amazing. It's by one of my favorite actors, Gary Oldman, in True Romance. Appearing for less than 6 minutes, Gary Oldman completely stole the show in this film, which also had, actors like Christopher Walken, Dennis Hooper, and Brad Pitt. The film was filled with such an amazing star cast, but it was Gary Oldman who stole the show as Drexel, this drug dealer and pimp, and his performance was so iconic that few people know this, but the role of Captain Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean, which was played by Johnny Depp, was actually inspired from this role. The look and everything, the long hair, the beard and everything. It's an amazing performance, and that's why Gary Oldman was one of the most underrated actors of all time. However, a few years back, he won his first Oscar, and now he has become a little more famous, like he deserves. It's an amazing performance in an amazing film. True Romance, the screenplay was written by Quentin Tarantino, and so you can expect what you typically expect from an amazing Tarantino film. Brilliant story, brilliant characters, brilliant action sequences. It's just amazing. Anyways guys, that was the video. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my videos. You can also write down your thoughts in the comment section below. So thank you, bye bye, and I'll meet you next week.